force of attraction between the plates. Force of attraction between the plates of capacitor, charged capacitor. Okay, ma? So this is one plate which is positively charged. This is another plate which is negatively charged. Clear, ma? So let plus q amount of charge is present on positive charge, minus q amount of charge is present on negative plate. Clear, na, ma? So therefore, because this is a positively charged body and this is negatively charged body, definitely force of attraction will be existing between them, no, ma? Force of attraction, will it be present or not? Come on. Definitely force of attraction must be present, no? Because both are oppositely charged bodies. And that force of attraction I am supposed to calculate. Can you say how can I calculate? So try to use your previous knowledge. How can I calculate force of attraction between these two plates? Can you say? Okay, ma? Let area of the plates be A. Area of these plates is A. Then how can I calculate force of attraction existing between these two plates? Any idea, ma? Any idea? See, very simple. So, see, ma, this second plate, this total second plate which is having a charge of minus q, it is present in the electric field of first plate, no? Correct only, no, ma? Clear? Second plate which is negatively charged, it is present in the electric field of first plate. So what is the electric field due to first plate? Electric field due to first plate or positively charged plate. How much is the electric field? E is equals to sigma by 2 E naught. This is the magnitude of electric field, no? E is equals to sigma divided by 2 E naught. What is sigma? Sigma is equals to Q by A into 2 E naught. Because sigma is the surface charge density, no? Sigma is equals to Q by A. So Q by A into 2 E naught. Clear, no? So this is the amount of electric field because of a positively charged plate. And this second plate, it is present in this amount of electric field. Then what is the force experienced by these charges? What is the total amount of charge present on this plate? Total amount of charge present is minus q. Are you able to understand, ma? Then force of attraction, how can I calculate? F is equal to what? F is equals to q into E, no? Already we have studied this one nearly some 1,000 times. F is equals to q into E. If a charge of q is present in an electric field of E, then force experienced by that charge will be F is equals to q into E. Clear, no, ma? So therefore F is equals to what is the amount of charge present here? Q. Electric field is how much? Q divided by 2 E naught into A. So therefore force of attraction is equals to Q square divided by 2 E naught into A. That is our answer. Clear, ma? Come on. So this much amount of force of attraction will be existing between two plates of a parallel plate capacitor.